Hello, my friend. Welcome.
Welcome, welcome. We are happy you are here.
Today, we have a small problem.
Yes, a very real problem.
You are at a train station.
You need to travel.
You need to ask questions.
But English feels scary.
Your heart beats fast.
Your mouth feels dry.
You think, what do I say?
This is very normal.
Many people feel this.
You are not alone.
Today, we help you.
We promise.
We will use very simple English.
Short sentences.
Easy words.
Slow speed.
You can do this.
Yes, you can.
Let us begin.
Imagine this.
You are at a train station.
You see many people.
You hear loud sounds.
Trains come.
Trains go.
You feel lost.
You need help.
You need English.
Just small English.
Not big English.
Small steps.
One step at a time.
First, let us learn one very important word.
The word is ticket.
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 A ticket is paper.
Or a phone screen.
It lets you travel.
No ticket, no train.
Ticket is very important.
Say it with us.
Ticket.
Ticket.
Good. Very good. Now another word.
Train.
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 The train is long.
It moves fast.
It takes people places.
Say it again.
Train.
Train.
Now one more word.
Platform.
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 The platform is where you wait.
You stand there.
You watch the train.
You get on the train.
Platform.
Platform.
Let us say all three words.
Ticket.
Train.
Platform.
Again.
Ticket.
Train.
Platform.
Good job.
You are doing great.
Now we make a very simple sentence.
Very simple.
I need a ticket.
Listen.
I need a ticket.
Say it slowly.
I need a ticket.
Again.
I need a ticket.
Perfect.
This sentence is very useful.
You can use it many times.
At any station.
Any city.
Any country.
I need a ticket.
Now, let us add one more small thing.
Where do you want to go?
You say the place.
For example, Delhi.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
Listen.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
Say it with us.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
Very nice.
You can change the place.
Not Delhi?
Maybe Mumbai.
I need a ticket to Mumbai.
Say it.
I need a ticket to Mumbai.
Good. Now let us practice slowly.
Repeat after us.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
If you forget the place, it is okay.
Just say, I need a ticket.
The person will help you.
People want to help.
Now we learn a question.
Questions are important.
This question is easy.
Where is the platform?
Listen first.
Where is the platform?
Again.
Where is the platform?
Break it into small parts.
Where?
Where means place.
Is.
Is means now.
The platform.
The place to wait.
All together.
Where is the platform?
Say it.
Where is the platform? Very good.
You sound great.
Now another helpful sentence.
What time is the train?
Listen.
What time is the train?
Again.
What time is the train?
Time means clock time.
like 5 o'clock.
Or 6 o'clock.
Say it with us.
What time is the train?
Excellent.
Let us put these sentences together in real life.
A small story.
You walk to the ticket counter.
You see a worker.
You smile.
You speak.
Emilia speaks first.
Paul is the worker.
Hello.
Hello.
I need a ticket.
Where do you want to go?
I need a ticket to Delhi.
Okay.
What time is the train?
The train is at 6 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple.
Very simple.
Short sentences.
Clear words.
Now it is your turn.
Repeat after Emilia.
Hello.
Hello.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
What time is the train?
What time is the train?
You are doing amazing.
Feel proud.
Now, let us talk about a small mistake.
Many beginners say, I need ticket.
Not this.
But this.
I need a ticket.
We need a.
Ticket.
Again.
I need a ticket. Now, another small mistake.
People say, where platform.
Not this.
But this.
Where is the platform?
Say it again.
Where is the platform?
One more mistake. What time train?
Not this.
But this.
What time is the train?
Very good.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Do not feel bad.
Feel happy you try.
Now, let us go deeper.
More real life.
You have your ticket.
You need the platform.
You ask a person. Hello.
Hello.
Where is the platform?
Platform 3.
Platform 3?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Short talk.
Easy talk.
Now you are on the platform.
You wait.
You see a sign.
But you are not sure.
You ask again. Excuse me,
Yes.
what time is the train?
6 o'clock.
Thank you.
No problem.
You see?
You can do this.
Let us repeat all key sentences.
Slowly.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
Where is the platform?
Where is the platform?
What time is the train?
What time is the train?
Say them again.
One more time.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket.
Where is the platform?
Where is the platform?
Feel the words.
Feel calm.
Your English is growing.
Step by step.
Now, a longer conversation.
Listen first.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I need a ticket to Mumbai.
One ticket?
Yes, one ticket.
What time do you want?
What time is the train?
The train is at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Platform 2.
Where is the platform?
Over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Very natural.
Very real.
Now, repeat with us.
Take your time.
Hello.
Hello?
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket.
What time is the train?
What time is the train?
Where is the platform?
Where is the platform?
You sound confident.
Yes, you do.
Now, let us help your memory.
Think of pictures.
Picture a ticket in your hand.
Say, I need a ticket.
Picture a sign.
Say, where is the platform?
Picture a clock.
Say, what time is the train?
English is not magic.
It is practice.
Small practice.
Every day.
We are almost done for now.
But we will continue.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
You are brave.
You are learning.
We are proud of you.
Let us continue slowly.
We stay calm.
We stay friendly.
We stay simple.
Now imagine a new small problem.
The train is late.
This happens often.
Very often.
You want to ask.
You want to know.
Here is a simple sentence.
Is the train late?
Listen.
Is the train late?
Again.
Is the train late?
Late means not on time.
Not now.
After time.
Say it with us.
Is the train late?
Good.
Another useful word.
Late.
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 The train is late.
Say it.
The train is late. Now a short talk.
Very real.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Is the train late?
Yes. 10 minutes late.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple.
Clear.
Repeat after us.
Slowly.
Is the train late?
Is the train late?
The train is late.
The train is late.
Good job.
Keep going.
Now another daily problem.
You miss the train.
Oh no.
This feels bad.
But English can help. You ask this.
When is the next train?
Listen.
When is the next train?
Again.
When is the next train?
When means time.
Next means after this.
Train is train.
All together.
When is the next train?
Say it.
When is the next train?
Very good. You learn fast.
Small conversation.
Listen.
Excuse me.
Yes?
When is the next train?
At 8 o'clock.
Thank you.
No problem.
Easy English.
Useful English.
Repeat now.
With us.
When is the next train?
When is the next train?
At 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock.
Now let us talk about another small mistake.
Many people say, when next train?
Not this.
But this.
When is the next train?
Again.
When is the next train? Do not worry about mistakes.
Everyone makes them.
Even us.
Yes, even us.
Now let us build a longer story.
From start to end.
You enter the station.
You look around.
You go to the counter.
You speak.
Hello.
Hello.
I need a ticket to Chennai.
One ticket?
Yes.
What time do you want?
What time is the train?
5 o'clock.
Okay.
Platform 1.
Where is the platform?
Straight and left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You walk.
You wait.
The train is late.
You ask.
Excuse me, is the train late?
Yes, 5 minutes late.
Okay.
The train comes.
This is real life.
This is English for life.
Now let us practice speaking together.
Repeat after Emily.
I need a ticket to Chennai.
I need a ticket to Chennai.
What time is the train?
What time is the train?
Where is the platform?
Where is the platform?
Is the train late?
Is the train late?
When is the next train?
When is the next train?
Excellent.
Very strong.
Now we help your confidence.
Confidence is important.
Speak slow.
Speak clear.
It is okay to pause.
It is okay to repeat.
You can say sorry.
Or please.
These words are kind.
People like kind words.
Practice this.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Again.
Excuse me. Use it before a question.
Excuse me. Where is the platform?
Say it.
Excuse me. Where is the platform?
Very polite.
Very nice.
Another polite word.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can say thank you very much.
Say it.
Thank you very much. People smile.
English connects people.
Now, let us recap slowly.
Step by step.
Key words.
Ticket.
Train.
Platform.
Late.
Next.
Key sentences.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket to Delhi.
Where is the platform?
What time is the train?
Is the train late?
When is the next train? Say them again.
One more time.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket.
Where is the platform?
Where is the platform?
What time is the train?
What time is the train?
Very good memory.
Your brain is learning.
English grows with use.
Like a plant.
Small water every day.
Small practice every day.
Do not be afraid.
Be proud.
You speak English now.
Yes, you do.
In real life, people are kind.
They listen.
They wait.
You do not need perfect English.
You only need simple English.
And you have it.
Take a deep breath.
Feel calm.
We are happy you are learning with us.
We are with you.
Next time you go to a train station,
Remember this lesson.
remember these words.
Ticket.
Train.
Platform.
Remember these sentences.
I need a ticket.
Where is the platform?
What time is the train?
You can do this.
Yes, you can.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for practicing.
Keep going.
Keep speaking.
See you again.
Bye for now.